If you're feeling like Asana is cluttered with tasks you've already completed and you just want to focus on what's still left to do, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to filter out or hide completed tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to keep your workspace neat, your attention on what matters, and your productivity way up. Let's dive straight in. First, let's talk about how you can do this in a specific project. Maybe you're working in a list, board, timeline, or calendar view, and you notice all those completed tasks are still sitting there. The easiest way to tackle this is to open the project you want to tidy up. Just head over to your project using the left sidebar or your homepage. This is your command center, so make sure you're in the right place. Now, up at the top of your project, usually near the project name or member icons, you'll find a drop-down or menu related to filtering or viewing tasks. Some folks miss it because it looks pretty subtle, but don't worry if you're searching for a second, it's always somewhere in that header area. Think of this as the lens you're using to look at your work. You can adjust it to show you what's important. Give the drop-down a click. It might currently say something like all tasks or even completed tasks if you've adjusted it before. What we want to select is incomplete tasks. When you choose this option, Asana will instantly hide any tasks that you've marked as done or checked off. So all those finished items, like last week's meeting notes or the bug fixes you already shipped, will quietly disappear, and only your current to-dos will remain front and center. A quick note here. Asana usually hides completed tasks by default, but if you change this setting or you're seeing things you shouldn't, just flipping back to incomplete tasks will fix it. You don't lose any of your completed tasks. They're just tucked away for when you need to reference them later. Let's move to the My Tasks view, which is where you'll see everything assigned to you personally. Click on My Tasks in the sidebar, and Asana will pull up your personalized list. Here's where the filtering gets a tiny bit more detailed. Near the top center of this list, you'll see a View menu, usually defaulting to List. And right next to it, there's a Filter dropdown. Go ahead and click the Filter menu. This is like sorting your mail. You only want the fresh stuff, not the old bills. In the Filter dropdown, look for the Completion section. Make sure Incomplete is selected. This lets Asana know you only want to see tasks you haven't finished yet, whether they're due tomorrow or next month. Once you set the view to Incomplete tasks, or use the Incomplete filter in your My Tasks, Asana will do the heavy lifting and automatically hide all completed tasks for you. Your workspace will feel instantly lighter, and you can focus your energy where it counts. If you ever need to see finished items for reference or reporting, just flip the view back. Nothing ever gets deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your Asana view clean and distraction-free, so you can zero in on what really needs doing. If this video helped, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Asana tips you want to learn. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.